Hey guys, I got another lock from my naughty bucket. It is a my lock or me lock. No key for it. That's the keyway. Let's see if we can get this naughty bucket lock out of the naughty bucket this time around. I think that's not so good. I think that makes it a lot more easy. Yeah, that seems fine. That was an oversight. Okay, so be wary of pin 2. Did it again. Try and just reset that. I think I got it. Okay, pin 1 and pin 2, and we open. Okay, that was not so bad. Is it all the way? There we go. Oh, there we go. All right. Well, not much of a challenge there anyway, but glad I got it out of the naughty bucket. Let's lock it up. Right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.